everyone, welcome back to Infome Technologies. So today we are unboxing and introducing the Heidi CP55 12-side ID card printer. This professional printer is designed for organizations that need high quality ID cards with automatic front and back printing. So let's unbox the printer and see what comes inside. Inside the box, we have Heidi CP55 12-side ID card printer, power adapter, power cable, USB cable, quick user manual, ink cartridge, and Info ID basic software. The CP55 12-side printer comes with USB 2.0 connectivity and optional Ethernet support for network printing. It can hold up to 100 cards in the input hopper and 40 cards in the output hopper. The ribbon cartridge design makes installation simple and maintenance easy, helping users save time during operation. The printer comes with an LCD display and LED indicators, allowing users to monitor printer status easily. Built-in 64 MB memory ensures smooth processing of print jobs, making it suitable for daily card issuance applications. The Heidi CP55 also supports optional magnetic stripe, contact smart card, and contactless card encoding. These features make it ideal for secure applications such as employee IDs, student cards, membership cards, visitor badges, and access control cards. Simply load the cards, install the ribbon cartridge, and start printing. The printer automatically prints both sides, delivering professional quality cards with excellent color and durability. Thank you for watching our unboxing video. So, for more information and inquiries, kindly contact Infome Technologies LLC. See you next time.